comes here tonight. He brings great news. The king comes here tonight. He brings great news.
You think she's been dieting?
Pilot season, everyone's dieting.
Whatever it is, she looks fantastic.
The king comes here. The king comes here tonight.
I can't believe Danielle's chewing the scenery again. And the director's gonna let her get away with that.
Oh, that must be it.
What? She's so freaking skinny from chewing all that scenery. Scenery probably has like 0 calories.
Oh my god, I have to go look a flat.
No, you guys. Chewing the scenery means to overact or to act in a way that's distracting. It's also called mugging or hamming it up. Ham. That's it.
Farewell, my friends. I must exeunt to the stage. The king comes here. The king comes here tonight. He brings
Ham.